Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're running an online business, freelancing, or just need to get paid from clients abroad, knowing how to receive international payments on PayPal is a game changer. It's simple, secure, and can open up global opportunities. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have a PayPal account. If you don't, sign up on the PayPal website. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, verify your account to unlock full features. This usually involves linking a bank account, adding a credit card, and confirming your identity through email or phone verification. Next, head to your account settings. Look for the Payments or Account Preferences section. Here, you can enable international payments. PayPal supports transactions in over 200 countries and various currencies, so select the ones relevant to you. For example, if you're expecting payments in euros or pounds, make sure those options are turned on. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty. When you receive an international payment, PayPal handles the currency conversion automatically. Keep an eye on exchange rates and fees. There might be a small charge for conversions, which varies by country. To minimize costs, encourage senders to use your local currency if possible. Once the payment arrives in your PayPal balance, you can transfer it to your bank account. This process is usually instant or takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on your location. Remember, always double-check for any restrictions, like sanctions or blocked countries, to avoid issues. Security is key here. Use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and never share sensitive details. That's it. You're now set to receive payments from around the world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on online business and finance. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.